Before you consider buying into Nebeus World, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be comparing this service to some of its competitors and giving you a thorough breakdown of what to expect. Trust me, you don't want to miss the final point. Let's get straight into it. First off, Nebeus World offers a powerful way to leverage your cryptocurrency. But here's the thing. They've taken it a step further by allowing you to use crypto as collateral for fiat loans. That's something that a lot of their competitors, like Nexo or BlockFi, have been offering for a while. But Nebeus gives you access to your funds faster, which is crucial when you're in need of quick cash. The rates are competitive and the process is incredibly streamlined, which is something I really appreciate as a user. Next thing, security. Nebeus offers strong encryption, which is essential in this space. Whether you're holding crypto or using it for loans, keeping your assets safe should always be a top priority. And while other companies in this space might have had some high-profile security issues, Nebeus provides solid protection, backed by insurance for digital assets. This adds a layer of peace of mind that you won't always get from other platforms. The third thing to consider is their user interface. Nebeus World stands out in this area because it's exceptionally user-friendly. If you've ever used BlockFi or Celsius, you might have found their platforms a bit clunky at times, but Nebeus is clean and easy to navigate. From applying for a loan to checking your portfolio, everything is laid out in a simple, intuitive design that makes managing your crypto feel like second nature. Now here's the fourth thing you should know, their lending options. Nebeus offers loans with pretty attractive rates, and their flexible terms are worth noting. When you compare this to other platforms, they allow a bit more room for customization based on your crypto holdings. Whether you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, the loan terms are optimized to suit your needs, and the repayment process is just as flexible. This is something that can be a bit rigid on some other platforms, so Nebeus gives you more control. Next thing, Nebeus World allows you to buy and sell crypto directly on the platform. While many platforms might make you jump through hoops to convert your crypto, Nebeus integrates exchange services in a way that is seamless and direct. The fees are fair too, which is something to consider when you're swapping one cryptocurrency for another. It's another feature that sets them apart from the competition, offering a level of convenience that you'll appreciate. The sixth thing you should know is that Nebeus World offers an interesting reward system for active users. You can earn extra benefits by using the platform regularly, and this isn't something you always see with other services. In addition to the typical cashback or interest rates that competitors offer, Nebeus rewards you for staying active in their ecosystem, which can significantly increase the value of your holdings over time. Finally, let's talk about customer support. This is often a make or break factor when choosing between similar platforms, and Nebeus excels in this department. Whether you have a question about your loan or need technical assistance, the support team is accessible 24/7 and they're quick to resolve issues. This is a step above many competitors, where support can sometimes be slow or difficult to reach. Now, if you're considering trying out Nebeus World for yourself, I've got a special offer for you. Click the first link in the description below to get access to the best deal and try the platform completely free. That's right, no strings attached. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits available to those who sign up through that link. If you want to experience the ease of using Nebeus World and make the most of your cryptocurrency, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.